Grind Mode Cypher. Diabolic, what up? What the deal, player? I get nice on mic devices. A true trailblazer, so I'm hiking up my prices. Debate it now, wait an hour and lay it down. Then lock it in the vault so my music's safe and sound. Protect from biters, you watch and respect the fighters. Unless you write it a check, I'm checking your writers. Infecting your life like insects with a bite. Sucking thumbs, you fucking dumb. Guess incest is inside ya. Blatant on the street, you hating on a G. MC, then we gotta take it to the street. See, place a beat and ain't like placement on a beat. So I'm sunning these pigs till they baking in the heat. Deal breakers break faster, they steal paper for mass appeal and ask for a meal later. Blasted to steal with Jesus, grabbing the wheel savior. Oxymoronic, cause all of y'all real fakers.
The roadie devil, I'm damaging drums with diabolic. So blow these rebels and don't forget to swallow the tonic. The flow be celibate, never finding the fuck to give you. Chauvinistic rappers are trapping, stuck on some sucky shit. Not me though, defiant with a giant ego. When I'm about as iron as Mike Tyson with a mic and a beat show. Ask when it's been vernacular nastiness, better let it go. Ask anybody, rips is spectacularly incredible. Slam! Let the boys be boys and you ain't gotta be on X, but I bring the noise. Public enemy number one, I'm Dillinger with the pen man. Ridiculous riddle rhythms, alliteration, my end game. A stone cold Ben Grimm when I'm posted throwing boulders. Old soul, young rebel, the 401 is on my shoulders. Any questions you better address a general properly. Hip hop is still breathing, say different, you trying not to be.
Dante's Inferno, Mr. Diablo. You an intern, so intern, it's me you follow. I could be tomorrow, see defeat and still defeat the power. I'm devouring these rappers like the feast of beats. I cease the fucking leader of lines. I'm the breeder of rhymes. Your mind's peace, come get a piece of my mind. I'm from the smallest state, it's something like a crucifix. Cause every time I say I'm in, I ride, I'm in, I ride. It's like I'm reading it off a crucifix. If that went over your head, you must be new to this. Cause Lingo set the track like that, know when I do the shit. If you a goose shit, I got rhymes to make you duck and raise the bar, make these rappers clap like back to dump trucks. You dumb fucks couldn't handle this. It's grind mode, 2 fingers and we put you out like a candle wick. We're broad gang, diabolic, who I'm standing
all
with.
That medicinal haze got your visuals vague. Now you're sitting in a state collecting minimum wage. Wishing your game was sharp like a barber with a straight razor. It wasn't really you, fake heart, pacemaker. You really think I didn't come to rap, son? My only one task, don't be task one. Come on, Corey, how could you be that dumb? Real underground cats knew exactly where you grabbed it from. Man, fuck that, this the Grind Mode Cypher. Hard rhymers, no bar biters or ghost writers. When you flow, it's comparable to Alzheimer's. But me, you can feel it in your bones like arthritis. And I ain't gotta throw a line to try and hook 'em. Even though I read you, I wouldn't book 'em. You counterfeit, by the sounds of it, wah 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 wah, you Charlie Brown in it.
Y'all are task 1 copies, Diabolic's grandson. Shots below the belt, I ain't reaching for a handgun. I put in work, 1 take, I'm hitting every snare drum. Throw my threes, I'm the answer, cross them up, and 1. Bringing back the product that's as potent as the chronic. Been smoking and toking it, hold my dick since you want it. My diction could turn a dictionary into a dinosaur. Breaking verses like a spinal cord to my final raw war beat. Bring the cattle to the final battle. Here I'm in my golden state and you issue a cavalier. Real as a tattered tear, drip below the eye line. I'm just like Hernandez, killer for lifetime. Like my neck tatted, fuck the game like a sex addict. Throwing slugs through the atmosphere, I got the best balance. When I crack a beer, I swear it's the X Factor. Y'all last week's headlines and I'm the next chapter.
Yo, seeing the sleeveless and gloves when I'm walking and they can't tell if it's me or if it's Scorpion and assaulting them. I'm offing them, grip you by the feet, but if you fall for them, then body everybody for your body hits the floor again. So quick, it's like the time froze. Pull the strap to tie you round on your dome like a blindfold. Your whole circle will divide slow and catch 3 when I blink this 1 forward like the pine code. Disassembling your team, you will never see this passed down. I'm not a hereditary gene, I am truthfully unique like Bruce Lee with his 2 legs that'll knock you each in 2 weeks from next Tuesday. Then back to the present, a psychopathic obsession for burying the dead and wet cement for elastic oppression. Then when I'm finished, it's your girls I screw, cause I done see more top than a bird's eye view.
I've been getting domed from this hottie Margo in a Monte Carlo. She tries yapping, I die laughing like Donnie Darko. Couple margaritas and she wants the hardest wiener, followed by you ain't shit, okay bitch, you aren't either. My bars are ether, either that or scarlet fever. As for verses, I'm a plastic surgeon, I charge for features. Dark tequila makes me a heartless creature. Without an axe to grind, a hatchet's fine or the sharpest cleaver. I spark the reefer, indigo or John Sativa, on this same couch till I'm spaced out like parking meters. Martian leaders are attacking Earth from other worlds, cause I crossed my DNA with theirs when I fucked this girl. I get drunk and Earl, call the bitch and be cruel, pull out my dick and mix the gene pool, piss and refuel. I'll be cool, cause I can take inanimate objects and trap them in a concept like Captain Vietnam vets. Ah yes, start babbling some nonsense and the bitch is going crazy like Carrie in a prom dress. I just drift off and process my sick thoughts, more sick than a mortician with his dick in his stiff corpse.